Hey guys, this is Jesse Smith. I am here to tell you about my Level 3 tool, which will be a tool focusing on Web 2.0. What I'm going to focus on is Wix.com and how my students use it within the classroom and how I also use it to deliver information to them and keep kind of some organization within the classroom and offer them an abundant amount of resources so that I can actually flip my classroom and it takes a lot off my plate. So you can see here, this is my website. I purchased the domain name www.rcamanufacturing.com. This allows me to use Wix and easily drag and drop each day what my students need to do. I can even keep a record of past projects. So I'm just going to go through here and show you the website first, then I'll show you how I edit it. So I teach computer science and also manufacturing. So I have AP Computer Science A, which is a principles course. I'm able to give them their daily work, and then I can even give them labs so they can have it for their notes, and it saves on paper and other things. I have Computer Science Principles, which is another computer science course. You can see in the tabs, I usually just leave a couple weeks active and then I hide the other weeks so it doesn't get long. But my students get all their work this way. Just to give you a brief overview of each one. So this is my first year manufacturing course. So this day, it's a flipped lesson where they're working on their own doing tutorials. So they're working on Autodesk Inventor Chapter 6, and they're finishing that up and then doing 7. I even have an accelerated section to get some differentiation within the classroom. And my second and third year are also very similar in the way they work. So this is my Inventor page. Here I have taken practices for each chapter and also questions. So you have the practices that students can open, and this is what they're required to complete after they go through a PowerPoint and also read through the chapter. This is able to test their knowledge on what they've read and reviewed. I also do lectures on this material on certain days. This is an example of the PowerPoint just provided through the book. Gives them enough information so that they can complete these practices. And also a tutorial where myself or my partner, Mr. Scott, will actually run through how to do it on the computer. So just providing the students with enough material through Wix.com that I can flip the classroom and they can work on these assignments by themselves. The reason I do this is because I have staggered classes where I might have first year students, second year and third year all in the same time, and it took a lot of time to deliver the lesson to each class separately. So I have to use this website to deliver each class individually. I also use the website to show the projects. So this is one project a student's been working on in Inventor. It's a business card holder that holds USBs, SD cards, and also pins. I have past year's work where we've done other projects. And you can click, we've done a Dart Foundation where we built drones. Oh, gotta love firewalls. But these are available if you don't have the same firewall as me. So my website is just to showcase my classroom and also deliver student the different assignments for the day. So I'll show you a little bit of how Wix works. So I've signed into my account. You can click on Edit Site. I actually have 2 or 3 sites, but this is the main one I spend a lot of time on. From here, it takes a minute to load. But this is nice because it's easy for me to update each day, and I can actually use this with my administrators for my lesson plans. It's extremely interactive. I could even have students upload work if I wanted to. However, I use Google Drive for that. And this is easy to use so the students can use it. So once it's loaded up, I can just click here and you can see the past weeks that I've already made for each class on the left side. And I can click the little eyeball here, or actually I have to click on the tab and then go here and show, and then I can show the first week of school. So this is back, and I can edit this and show it if I want to do it, or hide it when I don't want to. So it's just easy. Everything's drag and drop. I can click here, double click, and just edit whatever I want it to say. Really easy to use. Yeah, so this is a great part of the 4 C's because it offers communication between me and my students. Also, because I can flip the classroom, they have to use critical thinking to work on their own. And when I have them design their own Wix websites, they have to use a lot of creativity in their websites. So by the time they're a senior, they actually have a portfolio website where they can display all their 3D models, and we take pictures of everything they build and scan in their schematics. So and even collaboration among themselves when they work on these portfolios, because they put their group members' names and information also. Wix works really well. As you can see, when I load it, it's kind of slow. Also, the formatting is a little limited, which I don't like. If I were programming this in HTML, it would work a lot easier, and I could do some more specific things. The fonts are kind of limited. So there's room for improvement, but as far as organization in the classroom, it's the best way I've found to deliver material to multiple classes at once. So that's about it. Please feel free to leave any feedback and let me know if you have any questions about it. I didn't do this overnight. I took weeks to make this website and use it, but it's been worth it, especially on the high school level. Feel free to visit this site and just leave feedback if you have any questions. All right, thanks.